Buddha statue. Second one in Shikhar Shanti, Buddha Vihara. And we have our small guruma. Hazurko naam ke ho guruma?
Hirawati.
Hirawati guruma. You can see the beautiful view of the monastery. The simple it's a very, I love it. It's a natural, very natural, very beautiful. Master is clearing with the boy the leaves here. Bande one na. Bande you part check your land bande. Okay, they're collecting the leaves to make the fertilizer. के छ नानी ठीक छ खै बोलेन त ठीक छ नमस्ते खै ठीक छ भने बोलेन त तिमीले ठीक छ नमस्ते के छ बाबु ठीक छ ल गुड बोय है राम्रो असल बन्नु पर्छ है and we can see here the bodhi tree brought from the Bodh Gaya हैन भन्थे Bodh Gaya Venerable Masters हजुरले ल्याउनु भएको भन्थे हजुर हजुर भन्थे has got it त्रिपिटक चण्डीमा जाँदाखेरि हजुरले ल्याउनु भएको भन्थे here भन्थे has written here is बुद्धको देश शान्तिको बाटो रगतले नभुइजाऊ देशको माटो he is saying this one and is the return the slogan is that the country of Buddha don't soak or wet the land with blood. This is the date of Bodhi Vruksha tree plantation. 8 महिना 28 गते भन्थे and the resident of Venerable Pragya Ratna Bhikshu is here. Said Bhikshu Avas very simple. Advice anybody to stay in that shelter. Now we can see the very simple. They store the water like this. Bande khani pani हैन भन्ने यो खाने पानी हैन यो खाने पानी हजुर कहाँबाट ल्याउने भन्ने यो यो त इनारको पानी तल हजुरहरुले दान गर्नु भएको छ इनार खनेर ए त्यो अहिले पनि टीको पानी चलाइराख्नु भएको छ भन्ने हजुर we are glad that the well still using on and the water brought from that well. I will show you later. This is the monastery, the very master, and here's a bird, and here is the playground for the locals there. It's bird up. And the venerable is two venerable masters here and 2 nuns and the 3 kids there staying, and the venerable master is planning to build up this toilet here. Oh, no, 4 kids. Yeah, हाम्रो 4 जना नानीहरु बस्ने हो भन्थे हजुर 4 जना नानीहरु बस्ने हो यहाँ यहाँ हाम्रो बिहारमा अरु नानीहरु चाहिँ 4 जना हो गुरुमा 5 जना ह 5 जना 3 जना चाहिँ स्कुल जान्छ हजुर एउटा त बालकसँग पठाएको खाली हराएर यता मान्छेसँग हिँड्ने यो म धेरै जको भएर नपठायो ए 4 जना रहेछ त अनि गुरुमा बाहेक सानो गुरुमा बाहेक भनेको हजुर सानो गुरुमा बाहेक 4 जना हामी चाहिँ altogether 4 kids and small guruma Hirawati and our guruma here. Good morning from Shikhar Shanti Buddha Vihara, Dudhauli in Sindhuli. Let's have a look at Shikhar Shanti Buddha Vihara. You can see this is in the forest side. You can see such shelter. So last night it rained heavily too, but morning it has stopped raining. Here is the monks now. No, here we go, and here this is the Dhamma hall where we slept a night. Yes, last night we slept here. This is a bar here with the bamboo. Now, and we can see that's our venerable monk Pragya Ratna Bhikshu residence. This is here, the shelter, and here the view around. Beautiful. You can see. And this is the first kuti for venerable nuns. Now this where venerable nun used to reside at past. Very simple, thin one. We can see here residence. And now this is the venerable monks. This is the dinner. This is the dining hall here, like this space. We can see the master Pragya Ratna and then Bante, guruma are here all for breakfast. Here we see the mature apples, and here is the mango trees, just flowers here right now. You can see we are going here and to the Venerable Nuns residence. This is our guruma's stay here. Guruma residence. This right now, this bar had just put this fence. At past, this also not there. This one, the fence is here, and here the rooms like that, but it's still not well managed. We can see the window is like open, no even net. The mosquitoes, it's bite. Still need to reform. And in Nepal, as per my observation, my visit, this is the monastery where venerable monks and nuns have been living with full hardships, where there is no lay devotees around to support. That's why venerable monk, nun, they go for alms rounds almost every day. And here we see, I don't know what is this. This fruit. What fruit is this? I don't know, but it's nice. This is what you can see. The windows also like this. Just iron bars, open. And the venerable masters have planted this fruit trees here. I think in few years, maybe 4-5 years, this avocado, like the guava, some other fruits have planted. And down there is highway. This is small forest area. It's like a deserted, but since the venerable masters, Pragya Ratna Bhikshu and our guruma, when they have resided here, this place has been well conserved. See, this is planting different kind of trees, and even the Bodhi tree we have seen there yesterday. Master has brought from Bodh Gaya during the Tipitaka chanting there. This way you can see the area. Here's just another fruit. I don't know it's what, orange or pomelo or what. And here some vegetable farming, little bit, with the bar netting there, because here the animals like jackals and other animals come here. We heard last night the sound of those creatures. Can see the place.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Gom, ga, nga, zam, tham, zam, zam.
नमस्ते गर्न
Nyam,
सिधा
tam,
यता हेर्ने
tham, da, na, pa, pha, ba, ba, mon, dien, ram, ra,
ल
o, sa,
Yeah.
kham,
So,
sa,
अँ,
a,
चाहिँ
sin, tadak, din.
very good. It's the sleeping time in the premises of Shikhar Shanti Buddha Vihara. Here, this is our residential area. Just bamboo bars here. Just putting in like this. Just we are getting here to sleep. And we can see it's a very open space. We are here preparing to sleep. And the Dhamma hall here. Whole night rattling the tin roof. It's a downpour here. In the premises of Shikhar Shanti Buddha in the forest. At evening, jackals making noise, in the night, rain making noise. On the open premises.